Alright, today we got a Western controller. I know I'm one of the oddballs that still has likes to use a joystick instead of the other handheld control. But first time in 20 years I ever had a spring or whatever it was break inside the joystick, and you can hear it rattling in there. But it was a real nuisance when I was plowing, and you know, it wouldn't float, it wouldn't raise, and basically what it would do was float and lower by itself whenever I hit a bump, and that was a real nuisance. So I had a pretty ingenious fix right off the bat, which was to have a couple rubber bands in my cab, and I wrapped them around the joystick like this, and here, let me, I'll edit this, and then you can see how I did this. Hang on. Alright, you can see how I did this. I had a larger rubber band, and if you didn't have a larger one, a couple of them linked together would do it for you. But it was great because it held it stable. I don't know what happened inside. I'm going to find out in a second, because I bought a new spring inside. But yeah, like I said, 20 years I've never had this happen to me, but now it did. And it was good that I had a couple rubber bands in the truck, put a temporary Band-Aid on it. In fact, I left it and used it like this for probably 2 or 3 snows, because I had to order the spring. So I'm going to take this apart. I'll add some pictures here, but yeah, in need, have a couple rubber bands in the cab of your truck, and unbelievable, it saved my plowing for a couple times. Because it's a real drag to have the plow down when you need it. So I'll put some photos on here to show how I changed the spring. But I hope you don't have to go through this. But if you do, at least you have a real easy fix to hold you over with the spring until, or with a rubber band, until you get the spring ordered or in your pocket, so you can have that. Alright, please like and watch my other videos and subscribe. Thanks. Alright, got it all back put together. Looks great. There's no more of that jiggle in there. You can see the 2 springs, for who knows what reason. The spring failed and broke. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to go put this back in the truck, test it out. It seems to be working good. And rubber band, keep it in your truck.